G'day, my name's Jason. Welcome to the Digital Tools YouTube channel. I'm a content creator. I talk about apps that you can use in business with tips, tricks and how-tos that are on this channel. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you get new notifications of upcoming videos. And very importantly, please share these videos with your family and friends. It's what helps get this channel grown. Now, here comes the new transition, and I have another video where I've been speaking about this and asking people to just make a comment in that video just to let me know what they think about the transition. I'm looking at using it for a period of time, and then maybe if it's not useful or people just simply don't like it, I'll drop the transition and I'll just do normal talking head videos like you see with this one. But here we go. Thanks for watching the channel. Alright, now on this particular video, I just want to do a nice short and sweet talk about a website I came across some time ago. And it's a website I really would have wanted to come across before I even started my blog, my YouTube channel, my social handles. And this website is known as Namechekr. Now that's name with checker spelled as CHECKR.com. NAMECHECKR.com. Now, Namechekr is a domain name and social names checker that you can use across multiple platforms to see if what you're asking for is available to be taken on that specific channel. Now, here's using a very simple example. Say you're a butcher and your name is Joe's Meats. What you could do is you could use Joe's Meats, put it in the find field for Namechekr. Just simply hit search and it will come up with a green tick on each of those social channels that are available for you to use as Joe's Meats, or a red X for any of those that may have already been taken, and that's something that's been taken by somebody else. One of the really great benefits about having this process is you can try Joe's Meats, and maybe if you find most of them are taken, you could try a variant. Say, it might be within your local suburb or your city. So you could say, like if you're in the US, Joe's Meats Chicago, Joe's Meats Los Angeles, I don't know, Joe's Meats Crompton. Wherever you are, you might be able to try variants, or maybe if you have a brother, a slightly different name, you could try that. The real benefit here is you have various ways and various names you can try, especially if it's associated with your business, to see what domain name and social channels are available for your business name. It's a great platform to use, and the real benefit here too is with all these various searches that you may do, it's totally free. That's namechekr.com. Links down in the description to where you can find it from this video. Short and sweet, this particular video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification so you know when new upcoming videos are available, and share with your family and friends to help this channel grow, especially if you find it useful. Thanks for watching.